uh, a great thing to address faculty members as far as this LaTeX is concerned, because most of us prefer using Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Word. Anybody you ask, the first thing that people say is like, you start typing your presentations in Microsoft PowerPoint. Uh, the problem there is like it gets a bit ugly when you try. I mean, Microsoft PowerPoint and Word would be a bit easy in the sense that you can type, and yeah, you don't have to do any kind of extra work over there, right? Just make some bullet points and all those things. You know that the problem comes when you try to put some equations, when you try to, especially when you write a huge document like a thesis or probably a book chapter or whatever. You face a lot of problem in the sense that you put a figure here and you try to adjust somewhere. It's like it's like what happens in our country. Like you try to create a trouble in one place, it gets reflected in some other place. Right? It's the same way that happens with your Microsoft Office documents. Also, you try to fix your figure here, then it gets you know out of place somewhere else, and then you try to put that in one place, then some other problem happens. So, uh, I mean, this is one greatest disadvantage that I would say. In otherwise, what you call as a better word processor like Microsoft Word, it's typically used for making probably you could write a novel with Word, which is very good. Probably you could do some nice animations in Microsoft PowerPoint, which is very good. But then when it comes to technical writing, it always requires a good amount of professionalism. Means our document has to be properly aligned. Your document lines have to be properly spaced, and all your figures and stuff should look extremely good. See, most of us, what we do is when we try to take a, let's say, when we try to code some of our experiments in MATLAB, and then we try to get the pictures, we typically take a screenshot of it and then put. But the worst thing that we can do is that including that screenshot in our paper or whatever, because it gets very smudgy when somebody tries to zoom it. It gets really smudgy. In fact, I remember like when I had written a paper with Microsoft way back in 2007. The reviewers comment came back saying, "Look, it looks like the figures have all been flicked from somewhere." That's the worst insult I've ever had. But the problem was like because I have to take a screenshot and then include it. But then I started moving on to LaTeX, and now I don't even feel like doing anything on Microsoft Word or probably even in PowerPoint for that matter. Even if you want to type a letter, you prefer that. Okay, fine, I would do it in text and then get it done. So the only thing is it is a bit laborious as far as your LaTeX is concerned. We really need to know what is the kind of coding that you have to do. It's not like directly typing. You have to do the coding, but you have lot of online help, and probably even your tech compilers and softwares would give you the error messages and all those stuff. Which at the end of it, when you try to code, when you do your first technical document in say tech. It just gives you an amazing sense of satisfaction that you've written something very beautifully. Even a badly written paper, when you put it in tech, it looks good. So that's one thing. And second thing is, it's not just that; it's also even more powerful because you could do all the kind of animations that you want to do. Suppose you take a PowerPoint and you just want to do all kind of slide animation, transition, and probably some kind of GIF type images you want to include, videos you want to include. You could do even all that in your LaTeX. But as I said, it just involves some extra efforts. So, um, it's always better to go for the other thing is like it's also better to go for open source, supporting open source. Many of the times we see this Microsoft things are all like licensed, and it's a bit too costly to manage with that. So it's always a great thing to work with LaTeX. In fact, if you see the most primitive, the very one of the very first books to have been typeset in LaTeX is this the books by Donald Knuth. I don't know if you've heard about this. There are 5 books, 5 volumes of this book, The Art of Computer. I think The Art of Computing, by Donald Knuth. There is one book by semi-numerical algorithms. Then there's one simple algorithms and stuff. All these, the entire first edition of this book was typeset in tech. It was, I mean, it looked too good. You could actually check that. So. I mean, my suggestion is like many of us, in fact, we have this fear of trying to do anything new, right? When it comes to even programming, really, I mean, the josh that a student has to go learn that and then do is much higher than the josh that a faculty would do. I mean, in fact, there's a lot of inertia in us to go and figure out, okay, fine, can we even try this? Why should we try this when Microsoft gives us a very easy way of doing it, or when a PowerPoint gives us easy way of doing it? Why should we try something and maybe there will be some error? Yeah, initial hiccups will always be there, but then once you start doing it, I think you'll never go back to Microsoft Word. In fact, preparation of question papers in tech looks so much more beautiful than when you do it in Microsoft Word or whatever. I mean, especially the equations and all those things. In fact, if you look at Google Doc, you also have support for LaTeX. I mean, typesetting equations in LaTeX and then importing that to your Google document and all those stuff. So overall, if you see, it's a great practice to do technical paper writing or technical article writing in LaTeX. It's not something which we need to fear about. It's something, it's the initial phase is always tough. 10 years back, when we went to a college in Bellary for conducting this LaTeX workshop, that was the time when I actually started writing my papers in tech and stuff. So, I mean, to kind of encourage people, you have to show all kind of examples, then show them that look, all these things are possible. I think this workshop is going to be a very good eye opener for many of you who have not used LaTeX or who have a lot of hesitation in starting up with LaTeX. I think that way, the maths department of Ramaya and chemical engineering department have come out with a very wonderful program. And not just this, we also have a lot of inhibition, or we have a lot of trust in MATLAB. So we say that, okay, anything that MATLAB gives is fine. But then, for getting MATLAB, we know how much we need to pay. Instead, you look at, again, at the other open source platform, which is Python. I'm quite sure you'll start enjoying. It's going to be another wonderful time coding things in Python. So I think overall, this workshop is going to be an amazing one. Probably I'll also try to join to learn a little bit of Python, if it's possible. So I wish this workshop and the team a very grand success.